Hi, I'm Chris with Mother Mycelium, and today we're going to be cultivating mushrooms on logs. To get started, you'll need logs, plug spawn or sawdust spawn, a drill, a hammer, and some wax to seal up the logs when you're done. Growing mushrooms on logs is great because it requires very little maintenance and very little equipment. You'll just want to keep in mind that certain species of mushrooms grow on specific types of wood, so check out our website for more information on that. Start by drilling holes about 6 to 8 inches apart along the length of the log and about 1 inch apart along the circumference of the log. Drill the holes to the same depth as the plug spawn that you're using. Each of these holes will act as an inoculation site, so just make sure you have a nice even distribution across the log. Once you've got all your holes drilled, it's time to fill them with spawn. For plug spawn, simply take a plug and hit it in with a hammer. For sawdust spawn, they make special tools called palm inoculators that make it easy to gather a small amount of sawdust and fill each hole. Once you've got your logs inoculated, you'll want to seal each hole with wax. Here I'm using soybean wax, but you can really use any type of wax that's available to you. This step is important because it keeps the mycelium from drying out at each inoculation site, and it also keeps out the bugs. Don't forget to seal each face of the log too. Now that you've inoculated and sealed your logs, it's time to incubate them. Place them in a shady, cool spot and water them every few weeks to every month. Depending on the species and your climate, you should see mushrooms fruiting the next spring or summer. Just keep in mind that mycelium takes months to colonize logs like this. If you have any questions or are seeking advice on your mycology projects, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.